my area is take a list of take a paper or a smartphone, write your goal, what you want to improve your communication, and every morning look at that and get your goal connected. So in that way you can easily improve your communication skill. So you will get motivated every time when you see that. So Toastmaster International, the mission of Toastmaster International is to empower individuals to become effective and effective communicator and leader. Okay. Before start of the meeting, there are certain rules and regulations you need to follow. First, switch off your mobile phones or keep it in silent. And don't walk out of the meeting. Use a bit of paper to communicate across the hall. And we encourage people to comment on formal there. And don't speak. Speakers are trained to speak about topics such as sex, politics, and religion. So, before meeting the president of Medley Toastmasters Club, he is a lawyer and he is the president of Medley Toastmasters Club. Let's welcome the president of Toastmasters Club, Sunil.
Thank you very much, and thank you for that wonderful introduction. Fellow Toastmasters and guests, a warm good afternoon and welcome to Medley Toastmasters Club. I declare the meeting number 362 open. I can see a lot of new faces among the crowd. So we the members want to know how did you come about the club and we want to know more about you. Please raise and introduce yourself and how did you come to know the club. We start with
My name is Arvind and I work in Hi everybody, my name is Arvind. I heard about Toastmasters Club several years back when it was an attempt to start in our company, particularly. Subsequently, we followed it up. A couple of weeks back, one of my ex-colleagues he talked to me about it. And he is he set up at Toastmasters Club, so we asked him to come out as a guest. I was there weeks back and I liked the whole structure, and then I tried to place there one near my house. I'm in area, so that's when I kind of placed configured. So happy to be here and hope you could join.
My name is Siddhika. This is my third building tour. As I said before, I came across a online.
welcome to the meeting.
I'm coming from Maidapur.
You are studying or working somewhere?
That's in the
Okay. Okay, welcome to our meeting.
They are twins, they are twins.
Yeah, yeah.
Hi everybody, this is Nalini. I'm coming from UK. And few days before I completed PG, both are twins. That's all.
Welcome to our meeting. In fact, their brother was calling me for a couple of days. They want to make sure that you are here for this meeting. I really appreciate his enthusiasm and love for Toastmasters. And okay. Yeah, please introduce yourself.
My name is Krishnan.
Krishnan.
I actually came to know about it Toastmasters by my father. Like 7 years back, he used to go to Toastmasters and he used to be saying, by going to Toastmasters, you learn so many new things and even communication goes by the person.
Okay. Welcome to our meeting.
didn't have any time during that time. So when I joined work, I Googled about work timing and I
Okay, welcome to Mindy.
I'm studying law.
Priyanka, you're also Priyanka. Okay.
So I came to know about this Toastmaster from
Another Priyanka.
So bring one more thing.
Welcome to our
I'm from here and I currently studying big mechanical engineering. One day I was attending that I lost my English knowledge and nowadays I'm getting scanned. So she said, join Toastmaster.
Nice to hear you. Welcome to Mindy.
I'm studying working in office. I came to my work from my colleague
Tushar.
So this is working.
Okay.
So from past 1 month I'm trying, but today I started.
Okay, welcome to our
Hi everyone, my name is Sanjay. I'm a student at VIT University Vellore and I'm the Vice President PR of my Toastmasters Club Pura. And this club was suggested to me by some of my friends, and I'm on my vacation right now, so I'm attending other Toastmasters sessions in Chennai. So,
Sanjay, welcome to Mindy. Joining already, okay. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Harish. I'm working in media. I have been coming to this club for a long time. That's why I didn't recognize you as
Welcome to Mindy.
Hi, I'm Vilango. I'm working in Linux International as a ERP analyst. I came to know this club by browsing in Google, so I thought this club is properly good and I have been here for the last 2 years.
Welcome. Okay, there are more guests coming. We'll introduce them later. So, I would like to give a brief idea about the Toastmasters International. Toastmasters International, as the name suggests, is an international organization. It was established in the year 1924 in California by Dr. Ralph Smedley. The main purpose of the organization, objective of the organization, is to empower individuals, to make them better communicators and leaders, and thereby making that members to help each other and support and make for a better world. We have around 16,000 plus clubs around the world and have a membership of around 330,000 plus members. And the organization is spread among more than 130 countries in the world. Now there are four major values, core values of Toastmasters, which should be, which the organization encourages the members to follow. The main thing, the first one is the integrity. Integrity means the organization expects the members to attend the meeting regularly. To attend the meeting regularly and to properly prepare for their assessment, for their assignments or the roles which are given in the meeting. Also, the organization expects the members to bring other guests to the organization so that they also benefit from the advantages of the organization. The second value which the Toastmasters International, or we call TMI, expect from the members is the respect. The respect in this sense is like, it expects the members to understand that each member of the club has a certain quality, or skill or achievement. Each member possesses their own goals or ambition. Each member has their own strength or weakness. So every member should understand that every other member of the club has his own or her own pace of progress or development. So this will help them to find out the way, or find out the leaders of the club, to give them, to push some of them gently to come up the organization, come up in their communication career. and also for others to give space, because some people need space, they can't come immediately. So the organization and the members and the leaders very well understand, in a couple of weeks after they join, they will very well understand the purpose and the need of each member. The third one is, the value is service. Service means the organization expects its members to step in and help the club when in need, when there is a need. So if the club leaders, we call EXCOM, ask for a help to make the club more functional, the organization expects the members to step in. And fourth one is excellence. Excellence means the organization expects the members to prepare well for the roles given in a meeting. All people are not absolutely excellent, but the organization expects them to prepare to the best of their ability. My dear fellow Toastmasters and guests, if you follow these core values of Toastmasters International once you join the club, you can reap the best out of this organization. And you can become the best communicator and the leaders. You are not only helping yourself, you are helping a community around you. Because each member sitting here, watching you performing on the stage, they will give suggestions. You will be ultimately improving yourself and improving the life of others around you. With this, I would like to welcome you, all of you, again to the meeting, 362nd meeting of Medley Toastmasters. Now, before getting into the meeting, I would like to recognize the presence of some of the leaders this club has contributed to the organization. I recognize the presence of our first president, chartered president, Toastmaster James. I also like to recognize the presence of our past president and area director, Toastmaster, and our first chartered member, that he was a founder member, Toastmaster Rama. With this, I am getting into the business. Now, every Toastmaster meeting is run in a very structured and organized manner. But like every meeting, there is an MC. We call that MC Toastmaster of the day. This person, there are a lot of role players here, but this particular Toastmaster will take you from the beginning to the end and control the meeting. Today's Toastmaster of the day is a very special person to us. He has been part of Toastmasters International for quite some time, and he is quite known for his very special and creative ideas. In each of the speeches he has expressed that, and he makes sure that there is an element of surprise, there is an element of curiosity which he brings through his speeches. I am very happy, he is an entrepreneur. I am very, very happy to welcome today's Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Vijay Rajan.
Thank you, President, for your generous